Happy Mini Monday, budget friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with our own Cassie J budgets and vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below, so you can grab them if you'd like. Today I wanted to go through my Mini Mondays, and I decided we are going to mix things up just a little bit. 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40 doll hairs is what we are working with today. And so let's, well, you know what, let's figure out how we're going to set this up first. These savings challenges are in S&C Budget Creations Etsy shop, or you can find them on I'm Cassie J's Ko-Fi. So she also has memberships here on YouTube, so those are other ways to get some of these savings challenges. We're going to pull these savings challenges that we are working with because there are 3 left in this binder that I'm working on. I'll put this off to the side. And in my freebies, now these savings challenges came from either our shop or other shops. However, I think I have 2 left I'm working on. Yes. So I'm going to pull these 2 out, and we'll set this off to the side. And we're going to just roll the dice and save some cash. That's what we're going to work on today. Let's see here. So this savings challenge is from Journey to Wisdom and Wealth, and that one was a freebie. And this one is from the Faithful Dash, also a freebie. What we'll do is we'll roll the dice and see how much each savings challenge is going to get. And let's jump right in. $4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And hopefully we can make change along the way, because I made as much change as I possibly could before I sat down. And I'm like, okay, that's it, you guys. I can't even pull any more magic out of my hat. 30. 2. 5. 1. 3. Okay, can we make any change so far? Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, we cannot. This is how the drama happens on my channel. We need some change. We don't have it. Let's see here, because this one was $1 shy from being able to. It was $1 extra. There wasn't anything I could really do with that money at that time. So what we'll do is we will pull that $1 out since we did not count for it. And see if that helps. It doesn't. All right, so we need a 9 and 7 remaining there. And I'm not able to mess with that. But let's pull this savings challenge, because this one is a roll and save, and we will put $5, $6, $7, $8 here. All right, this should help us a little. Since we're adding $8. All right, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, so we can take, let's do that. How are we going to do this? Let's take, yeah, I think we're going to have to break down the 5. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, let's just do that, and then that way we can figure out, because it's a lot easier to break down a 5 than a 10. Okay. Let's just make this as confusing as we possibly can. Okay. Perfect. That one has us set up and ready to go. And let's see here. This one doesn't have any fields in it. Oh. Let's move that one back there. And this one, we'll go ahead and add this $2, because that will give us enough money. That will give us enough money to get some change. Okay, we're adding $2. 1, 2. And we'll count this one in a minute, or in the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. Okay. Oh, we still have another 5. Okay, let's just get going. We're going to continue on a little bit. Okay, sorry about that. I pulled it all the way. Okay, sorry. And we will continue on. I'm not certain where I left off, but we're going to head back up here to this first one. 6, 2, 3, 6. Oh, we don't have it. 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to do a $2 IOU because I was not paying attention. Usually I stop myself before I have to do an IOU, but of course I am not paying much attention. My brain is here and I'm physically here, but then I'm kind of like, I'm physically here, but my brain's like going a million miles an hour thinking about everything else going on right now. So we're just going to add this $4 and we're going to add this $2 IOU. Yeah. Oh, I can't believe I did that to myself. Pulling out other stuff. Okay, sorry. Okay. So this savings challenge, we didn't add anything else to it today, but we are sitting at $10, $15, $20, $21 is what we have for this savings challenge. I was really hoping to get the savings challenge completed. That's why I went ahead and pulled them both binders out, but we'll see. All right, so we are adding 2, 4, 5, 6, let's see, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus a $2 IOU, which I think, let's just do this. 7 here, and then we'll add the $2 IOU once we actually have the cash. I can't believe I did that to myself. When you guys do savings challenges, do you do IOUs or do you just say, okay, yeah, that's what I have and that's what I'm putting to it? I like to not have IOUs, but I wasn't really paying attention, so my bad. All right, so we have a couple numbers we need to finish here. So this one needed 5, so let's go ahead and color that in. And then we have 6, 5, 6. Oh, this one might be completed today, which would be so exciting because this one was late to the show too. And we still have $2 left. Okay, so that helps with my goal of completing a savings challenge today. Yay! That is so exciting. And we will count up what we have. All right. So in our March savings challenge, we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, $32, which is exactly what it was supposed to be. March should have saved you $22, but if you decided to do the bonus, which would have been another $10, perfect, $32. Yes, so exciting. Oh, I love to see that. Okay, I'm gonna set this up to the side. Yes. Okay, so we have the $2. What IOU? What IOU? Oh, I don't know. Excuse you. All right, I'm just going to put the $2 there. Make sure we're square. That worked out perfectly. Let's see if we could do anything else like that today. All right, so April, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, okay, so we needed one more dollar here to make 7. Do I have another dollar anywhere? I don't think I have another dollar anywhere because I need change for my savings challenge cash stuffing coming up. Okay, so what we'll do is we will fold this cash. That way we know that it's not quite 7. But let's count it up anyway. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15 is what I have saved in my April savings challenge. Perfect. Let's put this in here and get rid of this sucker. Nope, out of here. All right, and then we're adding $3 more to our April Christmas savings challenge. Now this is a monthly that I'm working on, and I decided to do it as a roll and save, and once it's completed I'll add it to my savings challenge binder for Christmas. And for April we have some cash saved. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, $17. So love to see that. All right, well, I mean, we finished one savings challenge, and I'm pleased, very pleased with that. I was hoping to save a little bit more, but for now, that's okay. Let's put these back. Freebie Friday, yes, it's a yes. I have some cash. I do need to get some change. Looks like I don't owe very much left on these savings challenges, but whatever I have saved, I'll pull out my other savings challenges. I have a couple of other freebies that I want to pull out, so we'll work on that savings challenge on Friday. Hopefully I'll be back Wednesday though. Be on the lookout. Maybe Wednesdays. Yeah, well, check in with me on Wednesday and see if I do my Seeking Funds cash stuffing, because that's really what I wanted to take care of this week, and I'm thinking maybe Wednesday to give you guys a little break from me. After you watch this video, you can rest. Okay, so we've gone ahead and done our mini Monday savings challenges. We did complete one savings challenge, and I think let's go ahead and grab our Sinking Funds binder to put this cash in there. All right, yes, this is the cash I have saved so far. And I want to do a Sinking Funds cash stuffing. So yeah, like I said, be on the lookout for that. I think Wednesday would be a good day because it seems like a decent amount of money to work with. I do need to get some bigger bills. I'm not going to count it up today. If you want to know how much I'm working with, like I said, meet you back here Wednesday. I think that's a good day to have a little date. So, yes. That's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much for coming back again. See you Wednesday. Bye, guys.